One thing, bro. One step towards Allah. That's all you need to do. Allah loves you. I'm not saying that because, wallah, I'm trying to win your heart. No, Allah loves you genuinely. You know, my brothers, when you say, Ya Rabb, you don't know what's happening in the heavens. A slave called upon his master. You might think, yeah, but brother, not me. Why not you, akhi? Why? Why not you? Wallah, brother, you don't know, man, wallah. And that's, you know, wallahi, my brothers, this isn't a level of iman. This is just shaitan. Brother, you know, understand, bro, like, wallah, I've got so much sins, I've got so much shortcomings, I've done so much muharramat. This isn't a level of faith. This is just shaitan who's clouding us, that's all. We've all got sins. That's why we need Allah Azza wa Jal. Because I'm not perfect, bro. No one is. Make a move. Take a genuine step to Allah. Tonight, now. One istighfar, bro. One genuine from the heart. Ya Allah, forgive me my sins. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgives. Allah loves to forgive.